This dog. Tell it like it is. Tonight's topic. Date with wife. Came home. My wife came home the other night. She asked me what's for dinner. I said I don't know. I said how about some French fried potatoes? She said no. I said I said let's go on a date. She said I said where you want to go? Chinese? She said nope. I said I said alright. We go up to the truck stop. So I took my wife up to the truck stop on our dinner date. That was sure some good. That sure was some good salad bar. Real good. So yeah, I want to go to a good place to eat. Take your wife to the truck stop. Good food. She won't get mad and call 911 on you. She might pull that lawnmower blade on you. You don't take her out. This dog, tell it like it is.